Neo, sooner or later you're going to realize, just as I did, there's a difference between knowing the path and walking it.
It's you a breakfast in the morning, my nights is abnormal. Advice in the formal, I did try to warn you before they went swarm you. The height we made is paranormal. We shake and wake up the paranoia, won't let it destroy you, won't let it annoy you. I'm trying to enjoy you.
You guys can see it's an easy job, right?
Driving reckless through a storming. It's you a breakfast in the morning, my nights is abnormal. Advice in the formal, I did try to warn you before they went swarm you. The height we made is paranormal. We shake and wake up the paranoia, won't let it destroy you, won't let it annoy you. I'm trying to enjoy you in front of the phone.
Morning, sir.
Oh, good morning. The time attack a day, you see? Stop.
So what's up, guys? Here we are today. I'm Victor, the talker. I'm with Blue.
I'm Blue.
So yeah, I'm the guy behind the videos, the guy I've been watching lately. And today we have some mission to do. We're going to Ebisu to move some cars and got some customized cars to bring to the shop. So yeah, check it out, a little bit of our quest for the day. Truck, yeah. And we're on our way to Ebisu. So yeah, we just arrived at Ebisu. Going through the portal right now. Look who's here, the boys.
Morning, guys.
Morning, mate. I think we should go get some keys. Yeah. Take that rubbish up. Yeah, we'll take this stuff up first.
progress going, Ethan?
No time.
Just getting cars out of the snow.
Yeah.
Getting ready to get them back to the shop and do some work on the old girls. Hey! Moving some stuff so we can get cars out. Still the same. Yeah. Lots of snow, lots of ice.
Yeah, guys, this is pretty much last car from the Reminat team. It's Mark II. The guys are working close to the shed and everything. So yeah, pretty much the day went digging cars out the snow, and yeah, that's it. I think we probably managed around 16 to 18 cars today. So yeah, pretty much that's it. Last car, gonna load the S15 now, the truck, go back to the shop. But yeah, pretty much that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment below, in the section below, and yeah, that's it, guys.
Nutrition is like how I put them greens on your spine. I kept missing all your costas, bitch, you got the other line. We been doubling them since Maybach, when Maybach can't make the sign. My dog like Oakley, I'm like Jordan, he just do it, I pay the fine. I ain't seen the sun in 7 days like I've been doing time. That's just how I got the back, get built up when I'm on it. LED be blinking on my phone and I ain't losing sleep. I told Shorty call your hoes, but they can't post when they with me. I don't be in sipping purple rain with pushing Lil Key. I be feeling like I'm Michael Jackson when I hit the key. My chain make them face reaction like they got a sneeze. All of them flashes and splashes just make you think you photos. I be taking cactus to the face, it turn me to a piece. Heard the ops outside, we take their heads and turn it to a piece. Nutrition is like how I put them greens on your spine. I kept missing all your costas, bitch, you got the other line. We been doubling them since Maybach, when Maybach can't make the sign. My dog like Oakley, I'm like Jordan, he just do it, I pay the fine. I ain't seen the sun in 7 days like I've been doing time. That's just how I got the back, get built up when I'm on it. LED be blinking on my phone and I ain't losing sleep. I told Shorty call your hoes, but they can't post when they with me. I don't be in sipping purple rain with pushing Lil Key. I be feeling like I'm Michael Jackson when I hit the key. My chain make them face reaction like they got a sneeze. All of them flashes, splashes, make you think you photos.